morning children, how are you all? So I hope you all are fine at home and doing practice of writing. So children, today we are going to learn a new letter, that is letter W. So as we have done previously so many letters, so you are going to do letter W also, okay? So we'll learn the sound and the word start with letter W. So this is letter W. As you have done practice of letter V, same way you have to do this also. The sound of letter W is children W, W, W. This is the sound of letter W, okay? And the words start with letter W are children. W for watch, which we wear on our wrist. Yes, W for watch. W for wall. This is the wall. W for wall. W for wolf. Wolf means it's a wild animal which lives in a jungle. And W for well. Okay children? So these are the words start with letter W. And the sound is children W, 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 W. Okay? So now we are going to do writing practice. So it's very simple how you have written letter V children. So 2 times you have to write letter V. And you have to join like this. It's W. This is uppercase W. This is lowercase. Okay? So you have to start with red line to blue line. Slanting line up. This is V. From here again you have to do V. So it becomes W. Okay children? One more time. Slanting line up, down, up. So this is letter W. And how we are going to write small letter? Same way. Just you have to write in a blue line. Same. Down, up, down, up. So this is small letter W. Okay, now we'll do it together. Down, go up, down, up. So it becomes W. Small letter, down, up, down, up. Okay. So this is the capital W. This is small letter W. Slanting line up, slanting line up. So it becomes W. And small letter down, up, down, up. Children, like this way you have to do writing practice of letter W. It's very simple. You have to make a V. ऐसे और ऐसे करना है, ठीक है? This is uppercase, this is lowercase. And the sound is W, W, W. Okay? So, I hope you are going to do this and share the photos and videos with me, okay? Till then, bye children, take care.